I've been lucky enough to get my hands on the brand new 13-inch Surface laptop. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. So before we actually get inside the box, let's take a look at the box itself, right? So what I love is that the Surface branding is from the get-go. It's super sleek, it's nice and stylish, and the colour actually matches the device inside. So straight away you can see if you've got the brand new ocean or violet colours, or the classic platinum, if you fancy. What I also like though is the packaging is not just stylish, but thoughtful, as it's got 73% recycled content in the packaging itself, and also there's minimal plastic around it, so no cellophane or anything like that. So let's actually get inside the box. So what again I really like is there's nice and simple tabs to always use. So quickly and easily just get inside the box and open it up. And there we have it. Again, we have a really nice protective sleeve around this device. So just keeping it nice and safe. Let me take this off to reveal the beautiful new ocean color. Look at that. I think this is an absolutely stunning new addition, new color to the Surface range. And Surface always really likes to stand out with color so that you can show off a bit of a unique personality with your device if you want to. So let me just pop the device to one side for a moment and we'll actually get into what else is in the box. So you'll notice here that it's nice and snug where the device was, meaning that it's not going to wobble around while you're carrying it about. And we also have our usual warranty information, nice and stylishly sealed, again in the matching colour. Cool little touch. And underneath, there's no power supply unit. We do still have a USB-C charging cable, and that's because this device will charge with any USB-C charger that is 40 watts or higher, which is pretty cool if you've already got a USB-C charger in the home, which most of us do. So again, it saves a little bit of plastic, making the device a bit more sustainable and eco-friendly as well. So that's everything actually in this nice little box. So let me just pop this to one side and actually take a closer look at the device itself. So here is our device, and again, just take a look at that nice, stunning ocean colour. It's an anodized aluminium finish, and I've got to say, picking this device up, it is super, super lightweight at only 1.22 kilograms. That is going to fit nicely into your backpack and not actually weigh you down. Over on this side here, you'll see that you've got the USB-C charging ports, and you've got 2 of them as well, which also means that you can connect to up to 2 different display ports as well if you wanted to while not charging the device. On the flip side here, we also have a USB-A port, which again comes in handy when connecting all your tech and accessories, and of course our headphone jack just here. Now opening up the device, you'll see that it opens up super, super easily with just one finger. And again, remove our little protective screen here. Here we have that 13-inch screen going from side to side. And of course, this is still fully touchscreen device from what we know and love from Surface. You'll see here, nice and thin, and also some really thin bezels as well. Just below here, so we've got a beautiful keyboard. Again, the keyboards are always really thoughtfully designed by Surface, having a comfortable key travel experience. And also the keyboard is completely backlit as well. So if you wanted to use the keyboard while working in the dark, you can do and still see what you are doing. We've got a nice big trackpad down here as well. Probably one of my favorite things about this device though is built into the power button is a fingerprint reader, meaning that as soon as I power on this device, if I've set up Windows Hello with my fingerprint, I'm also logged in as well, minimizing the time that I'm having to wait or go through security while still keeping my device nice and secure, as no one's going to be able to copy my fingerprints anytime soon, hopefully. Now the specification of the laptop that we've got in front of us here is a Snapdragon X Plus 8-core processor with 512 gigabytes of UFS storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. But to find out more about what options you've got available for techs and specs, why not check out our overview video as soon as it arrives. To do that, make sure you subscribed and hit that notification bell. So that about wraps up this video. If you're as impressed with this device as I am, please let us know about it in the comments below. That's it from me though today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.